Okay, ma. So, hello students. Last class we completed water plant relation or plant water relation. So, today class we will discussing osmosis. Today class we are discussing osmosis. Osmosis. So, what is osmosis? So, you know, osmosis term used to a specifically it is a diffusion. Okay, it is nothing but a diffusion. Okay, it is also special type of diffusion, special type of diffusion. So the water move across the membrane, across here mainly across the membrane through differential or semi permeable membrane, it is also special type of diffusion. Here mainly water move across the membrane through differential or semi permeable membrane. Semi permeable membrane is nothing but it is allowing only some selected substances, selectively substances it is allowing, some selected substances only it is allowing. Okay, so that is called as a osmosis. Okay, so osmosis is a special type of diffusion. The water it is moving across the membrane through differential or semi permeable membrane. See here features of diffusion. Okay, here features of diffusion. So what are the features of diffusion? So it is a special type of diffusion. It is a special type of diffusion. It is a special type of diffusion, and also it is net movement or net direction and rate of osmosis mainly depending on pressure gradient. One it is pressure gradient. So next one it is concentration gradient. Pressure gradient and concentration gradient. So net direction, the amount of molecule it is moving from, okay, so the net amount of molecule it is moving where to where, okay, from high concentration to low concentration, that is under rate of osmosis, okay, where to where it is moving osmosis, okay, mainly it is depending on pressure gradient and concentration gradient. See here movement of water, movement of water from it's a region of high chemical potential to high chemical potential means concentration gradient, high concentration to it is a region of lower concentration, lower chemical potential and also inner bracket concentration, both sides equilibrium constant. So moving water, it is moving where to where it is moving water. So the movement of water from it's a region of high chemical potential to, so nothing but high concentration to it is a region of low concentration, or low chemical potential. Both sides equilibrium constant or same, okay, equilibrium constant till water it is moving. Okay, this is called as a osmosis. At equilibrium in both chambers with water potential is same. Okay, if you take two chambers, this is the one chamber, here also solution it is there, here also solution it is there. Okay, here high water potential, here low water potential because of more solutes are there. So now at equilibrium so both chambers with what it is there, both chambers with equilibrium constant. Okay, so at equilibrium both chambers having water potential, this symbol it is called as a water potential is same. Okay, so when see here solute molecules here high, here less solute molecules. So now what happened, so the water is moving where to where it is moving, in both sides are concentration equal. Okay, there is no net movement is zero. Okay, net movement is zero. Okay, when it is net movement is zero, so equilibrium is constant in both sides. So now water potential is equal. Okay, in both sides water potential is equal. When water potential equal, there is no net movement in between the two chambers. Okay, so that is the at equilibrium both chambers with so water potential is same. So that is also we are observing. Okay, so next one it is, see here mainly cell membrane and also tonoplast means vacuolar membrane. So it is moving or allowing. Okay, it is allowing. Okay, inner side or outer side. Okay, tonoplast it is helps movement in or out of cell, out of cell. Okay, cell membrane tonoplast only it is so it is allowing inner side or outer side, mainly it is depending on the cell membrane and tonoplast. Okay, so next one it is, this is the cell, see here, this is the cell membrane, it is there. Tonoplast is nothing but okay, membrane, vacuolar membrane. This is the large vacuole, it is there. So then so the movement of ions or water, okay, so where first, so from cytoplasma to outer side and vacuole to cytoplasma to outside or inside. Okay, so here mainly which one it is responsible for cell membrane and tonoplast only decided, so the molecules entry and exist. Okay, so this is the function of cell membrane. So next one it is cell wall. Cell wall. So cell wall it is not a barrier to movement of substances. Okay, it is not barrier. Okay, it is not a barrier, but it is allowing all substances. Okay, so it is allowing all substances in solution. Okay, see here, cell wall, this is the cell wall. So when you put into the, when solution, so cell wall, this is the cell wall, outermost layer, it is cell wall, but it is not a barrier, it is a freely permeable. It is a cell wall, it is a freely, here freely permeable. Permeable, what it is permeable? Water and substances, water plus substances in solution, in solution. Okay, it is not a barrier, but it is freely permeable. So water and substances in solution. Okay, here what it is there? Water it is there, water will be moving. So this is the water, and the substances also freely it is moving. Okay, so that is the cell wall. Cell wall it is allowing all, so substances and water it is allowing. So this is also we are observing. So next one it is so the vacuole it is in plant cell. This is the plant cell. In plant cell mainly, so which one it is decided solute potential in plant cell? So that is tonoplast, means vacuole. Okay, so it contain what it is there? Vacuole. Okay, so large vacuole sap it is there, or vacuole sap is large. Okay, so it is a decided solute potential in cell. Solute potential in cell. Okay, in cell. Okay, it is decided solute potential in cell. So how it is decided solute potential in cell? So because of here what it is there? Minerals and water and also excretory products and also some some pigments also present. So this is inner side what happened? So the mineral ion concentration will be increasing in sap, then automatically, so in cell what it is there? Solute potentially increasing. When solute potential increasing, it is a requirement of water to the plant. So that's why only, so the water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. Here solute potential is, okay, so low. Okay, here solute potential is high. Now where to where it is moving water? So when solute potential increasing means what? Here water potential will be decreasing. Here solute potential is decreasing means what? Water potential is increasing. So that's why only water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. So from low solute potential to, see here, so solute potential is so high it is there. Okay, it is not required solute potential, high it is there, but so solute potential low to high it is moving. Okay, here mainly here solute potential is high. Okay, solute is high, not solute potential, solute is high. Here solute is less. Okay, solute less. Okay, so this is we are observing. Okay, so that's why only here mainly one point you remember. So here solute potential, here where it is there high, here so less, low. Water potential is high, here water potential is low. Now water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration, high concentration to low concentration. But solute potential high to low it is moving, high to low it is moving. That point you should remember. Okay, so mainly it is decided vacuolar sap only decided the solute potential in cell, solute potential in cell. So this is all are so some general features of osmosis, general features of osmosis. So osmosis is nothing but we know. So general definition is nothing but osmosis is nothing but the movement of water. So the movement of water, okay, it is moving from high concentration to low concentration through semi permeable membrane is called as a osmosis. Okay, is called as a osmosis. See here, special type of diffusion, water it is moving across the membrane through differential or semi permeable membrane. Okay, it is a special type of diffusion, and net direction and rate of osmosis mainly it is depending on pressure gradient, pressure gradient. Next one is concentration gradient. So now the movement of water, okay, from where to where it is moving, from high chemical potential to from low chemical potential. High chemical potential where it is there, here high chemical potential, here low chemical potential it is there. So now so it is both sides are equilibrium constant. Up to now water it is moving from in both sides. So at equilibrium both chambers with water potential is same. So here so both sides are what happened, so the equilibrium is constant. Okay, so equal in both sides. For this both sides the solution is equal. Okay, here also 50 grams of water, 50 ml of water it is there, here also 50 ml of water it is there, here also 20 ml of salts are there, here also 20 ml of salts are there. So at the time both sides concentration equal. So up to now what it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. So next one is so cell membrane and tonoplast. Okay, vacuolar membrane it is also helps to movement in or out of the cell. Okay, it is also helps to the barriers. Okay, cell wall it is not a barrier, it is allowing freely permeable of water and substrate in solution, substrate in solution. So here mainly so vacuolar sap is a large, vacuolar sap is a large. So solute potential in cell it is so decided. Okay, vacuolar sap only decided solute potential in so cell. Okay, so that's why only so solute potential is nothing but water is required for the plant, water it is required for the plant. So this is nothing but osmosis. Okay, this is the osmosis. Some so experiments are there we are discussing on the basis of pressure gradient and concentration gradient, and also potato osmometer experiments we are discussing. Next potato osmometers we are discussing. So this is nothing but so osmosis. Okay, next so we will go for experiments. Okay ma, okay ma. So next continuation. See here, first we will discussing here. Here two chambers are there. Here two chambers. You think this is the A chamber, this is the B chamber. Okay, so otherwise we will take only one chamber. Okay, this is the only one chamber. If you take, this is the one chamber. The one chamber we will decide, we will divide it. So this is the A chamber, this is the B chamber. These two chambers separated by semi permeable membrane. This is a semi permeable membrane. Okay, so this is a SPM. Okay, this is nothing but semi permeable membrane. SPM is nothing but semi permeable membrane. So here so solute potential is high. Here solute potential is less because of solute more it is there. Solute more it is there, that's why. So solute potential is low. Here solute potential is less, that's why solute potential is high. So here water potential is high. Okay. So here more water potential it is there. See here water it is there in both chambers with water. This is nothing but water. Okay. So this nothing but water. So this is nothing but solute. Okay. See here. So what we are discussing here, osmosis direction. Where to where it is moving, CM. So first point, water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. Here more water it is there, here less water it is there comparatively A. Okay. Why? Because here more solute concentration increasing. Okay. Solute concentration is increasing. So here mainly, so water it is high. Okay. So high water potential. Here high water potential. High water potential to it is moving lower water potential. Lower water potential. Here lower water potential. Here solute potential is high. A. This is the A. This is the B. Here high solute potential. Solute potential to high. Here means low solute potential. Low solute potential. Low solute potential it is moving. Okay. So high solute or high chemical potential to low solute chemical potential. So water it is moving. Water it is moving. High water potential to low water potential. High solute potential to low solute water potential. Low solute potential water it is moving. Now water where to where it is moving? Where water it is more? Here water it is more. Here low. That's why water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. So at equilibrium, so water where to where it is moving. Okay. So at the time both sides are equilibrium is constant. Okay. Water potential is same. That's why. So there is no net movement. There is no net movement we are observing. Okay. So this is also we are observing in so this diagram. Okay. Mainly high water potential to low water potential. High solute potential to low solute potential only water it is moving. Water it is moving. In which chamber has low solute potential? B. So in which chamber has high solute potential? A. Okay. So this is also we are observing. So for example, if you see, so the chamber A with minus 1000 kilopascal water potential it is there. Here also 2000 kilopascal it is there. So in which chamber has more water potential it is there? A. So mainly, so it having more water potential. A with more water potential it is there. A with more water potential it is there. So this is also we are observing. So finally, see here more water comparatively 2000 kilopascal. Okay. So here more water, here less water it is there. That's why water it is moving from A chamber to B chamber, or so minus 1000 pascal to so minus 2000 kilopascals only water it is moving. Okay. So at equilibrium both sides are so concentration are equal. Okay. Both sides are so the water potential is equal. So that's why there is no net movement. In both sides water potential is equal. So there is no net movement of water molecule. Okay. So this is also we are observing in so this diagram. So next we will discussing potato osmometer. Okay. Potato osmometer we will discussing. Here potato osmometer. See here potato osmometer. Potato osmometer. So potato osmometer, how we will preparing, we will discussing here. See here, this is the one potato. This is nothing but a potato. The potato you should cut a square shape. So like this, you take one knife and you should cut like this. Okay. So this is the potato like that. If you cut, when you cut the potato like this, and so this is the one beaker or petri dish. If you take, this is the beaker or petri dish. If you take beaker or petri dish, I'll take petri dish. This is the petri dish. That potato you should make cavity like this. You should remove this all inner side of tissue part. We will remove. Okay. So this is the potato. You take one knife and you should remove this and all. And first you pour, you give one mark. Up to here you pour sucrose solution. This is a sucrose solution, concentrated sucrose solution. This is a sucrose solution. Then this is kept in water containing petri dish. This is the water. This is a water containing petri dish. This is a water containing petri dish. So you place here, okay, you place this potato. This is the potato. You place here. Then already here a concentrated solution it is there. Here what it is there? Sucrose solution. Already you given one mark. Here this is the mark. Up to mark you pour sucrose solution. That is the sucrose solution. Then you kept into the beaker. So this setup is called as a potato osmometer. Potato osmometer. Potato osmometer. So when you place it into the petri dish, okay, so this setup is called as a potato osmometer. You should give one pin or one mark. Up to mark you pour sucrose solution. Up to mark you pour sucrose solution. So now here water potential is high. Here water potential is low. Now water where to where it is moving? From high water potential to low water potential. So by the diffusion process. Okay, it is a special type of diffusion. Osmosis is a special type of diffusion. So then water it is moving. So where to where it is moving? Beaker to through semi-permeable membrane. This is the, so semi-permeable membrane. Which one it is? So potato semi-permeable membrane. So now here the water level will be, so arise. Here water level will be arise, okay, above the mark. So now you observe, so where to where water it is moving? From high water potential to low water potential, water it is moving. So this is called as a potato osmometer. This is called as a potato osmometer. See here, potato osmometer is nothing but if you take one potato, that potato you should make a square shape. So then you make a cavity. You make a cavity. Okay, you should make cavity. In cavity you should add sucrose solution, high concentrated sucrose solution. So this is placed into petri dish. So after placed into petri dish, this setup is called as a potato osmometer. This setup is called as a potato osmometer. So now water is moving from high concentration to low concentration. High concentration to low concentration. In potato, sucrose solution is there. In beaker, more water it is there, more water potential. So that's why water it is moving through semi-permeable membrane from high concentration to low concentration. It is moving high concentration to low concentration. It is moving. So this is nothing but so this is also one type of osmosis. Osmosis is nothing but diffusion, diffusing the water molecule through semi-permeable membrane from high concentration to low concentration. So this is potato osmometer setup. Okay, potato osmometer setup. Okay, so this is also we are discussing in osmometer. Okay, this is also we are discussing in osmometer. So next one it is osmosis. Mainly it is depending on. So one it is pressure gradient, another one it is one it is pressure gradient, another one is concentration gradient. So that one we are discussing, pressure gradient and concentration gradient. The two experiments we will discussing here. Okay. Okay. See here, osmosis mainly depending on mainly it is depending on one it is concentration gradient, another one it is pressure gradient, or pressure potential, pressure gradient. Okay, here pressure potential or pressure gradient. Okay, here mainly concentration gradient and pressure gradient. See here in this experiment it is required mainly, so requirements, one it is beaker. Here mainly first one it is beaker and funnel. Okay, here mainly beaker and funnel, egg membrane, So next one it is thread is required. So next one it is sucrose solution. So next one it is water is required. Okay, see here this is all required, beaker, funnel, egg membrane, Thistle funnel. Okay, that is nothing but funnel is nothing but that is the Thistle funnel. Thistle funnel is required. So beaker, Thistle funnel, egg membrane, thread and sucrose and water it is required for so osmosis mainly depending on, so one it is concentration gradient, another one is pressure gradient. Okay, so here we will discussing the two experiments. See here, this is the one beaker, this is the beaker. The beaker with solution is there. Okay, here mainly you take more diluted solution. This is the solution. First experiment, solution. So here inverted position you place Thistle funnel. This is the Thistle funnel. The Thistle funnel you tie with egg membrane. This is the egg membrane. You tie with the egg membrane. So then you pour sucrose solution. This is a sucrose solution. Here you pour. This is the sucrose. Distal funnel with what it is there? Sucrose solution up to here. So now water where to where it is moving? From here diluted solution is concentrated solution we are taking. So here concentrated, here diluted. If you take diluted solution, here concentrated solution, this is a concentrated solution. So now water where to where it is moving? Water it is always it is moving from high concentration to low concentration because of concentration gradient. Here water it is high it is there, here low it is there. So now water where to where it is moving from so high concentration to low concentration, high concentration to low concentration through semi-permeable membrane, nothing but egg membrane. So now here the water level will be arises in funnel. So now this is nothing but osmosis. When osmosis from high concentration to low concentration it is moving. Here it is there diluted solution with water potential is high, here low. Now water where to where it is moving from so beaker to funnel. Okay, here beaker to funnel it is moving. Beaker to funnel, water it is moving. Water moving. So this is nothing but osmosis. Okay, osmosis mainly depending on concentration gradient. Okay, here high concentration it is there, here low concentration it is there. So that's why water it is moving from high concentration to low concentration. So that's why osmosis is mainly depending on concentration gradient, mainly depending on concentration gradient. So that is the concentration gradient experiment. Okay, this is a concentration gradient. It is mainly osmosis is mainly depending on concentration gradient. So next so we will discussing pressure gradient. Okay, so this is the funnel. In funnel with first one it is beaker, the beaker with funnel. The funnel we will tie with egg membrane. This is the egg membrane we will tie. Then already we know sugar solution we will pour here. This is the sucrose solution along with water. Okay, so see here, now here water it is there up to here, water, this is and all water it is there. Okay, here when you apply external pressure, this is the pressure potential you apply here. What if you do pressure you apply on distal funnel? When you apply pressure here, something if you take and you apply pressure here, then push, then what happen here? So the water will be not diffusing here too, here it is. So this is not diffusing, it will be stop. But the water where it is moving from funnel to beaker it will come. Okay, so now diffusion it will be stop. Okay, when you apply external pressure, then automatically due to the external pressure the osmosis will be stopped. It is reverse osmosis will be started. Okay, reverse osmosis it is also helps to the removal of salts from the sea water. Okay, so this are solution with the salts are there, water it is there. So reverse osmosis through water will be purifying. So that is the reverse osmosis is takes place, but osmosis will be stopped. So because of pressure potential, so this is we will discussing in this experiment. So this diffusing will be stopped, but here water is there, no low concentration to high concentration is water it is moving. That is reverse osmosis mainly. So that's why only it is depending on also pressure potential, pressure gradient. Okay, it is mainly depending on pressure gradient. Okay, it is nothing but pressure potential or pressure gradient. Okay, so here we will write or pressure potential. It is mainly depending on pressure potential. Okay, so this is the two experiments. So in this experiment what you learning? So according to concentration gradient, from high concentration to low concentration, water will be diffusing through semi permeable membrane. Okay, this is called as a osmosis. So because of high concentration of water it is present in beaker, the water is moving into the funnel, okay, by the osmosis process through the egg membrane. So that is called as a concentration gradient depending on concentration. Here more concentration is there, here less concentration is there. So that's why water is moving here to here it is moving. But here, so here more both sides what it is there, equal solution is there. Okay, equilibrium constant. But sorry, here one thing it is here solution is there, here what it is there, water it is there. So when you apply external pressure here, then what happen? The diffusion will be stopped. The diffusion will be stopped. Okay, so but reverse osmosis will be started. So when you apply external pressure, this is the pressure you apply. When you apply pressure automatically, so now what happened? So the diffusion will be stopped. This stop and reverse osmosis will be so takes place. So this is also mainly osmosis, mainly it is depending on so concentration gradient and pressure gradient, concentration gradient and pressure gradient. So this is also so osmosis, this is the osmosis. Okay ma, okay, bye.